Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel that is 5 a.m. Tales, where history, mythology and culture come alive through inspiring stories. Today we step into the colorful world of Yakshagana, Karnataka's magnificent folk theatre that has entertained and inspired audiences for over 5 centuries. With dazzling costumes, powerful music, energetic dance, and unforgettable storytelling, Yakshagana transforms the great epics into living performances. Most plays are based on episodes called prasangas from the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and the Puranas. Join us as we discover the heroic tales that continue to echo across the stages of Karnataka. Let's begin. Yakshagana is one of Karnataka's oldest and most celebrated performing arts, flourishing mainly in the coastal district of Udupi, Dakshina Kannada, and Uttara Kannada. It is a unique blend of dance, music, dialogue, poetry, and dramatic storytelling. Performances traditionally begin after sunset and continue through the night in open air village stages. The lead singer, known as the Bhagavata, narrates the story while musicians play instruments such as the chande and madale. The actors wear elaborate headgear, vibrant makeup, and richly decorated costumes, bringing kings, warriors, sages, gods, and demons to life. At the heart of Ikshagana lies one powerful message: good ultimately triumphs over evil through courage, wisdom, and righteousness. Among the most moving Yakshagana performances is the story of Abhimanyu from the Mahabharata. The young warrior, though still a teenager, enters the deadly Chakravyuha battle formation during the Kurukshetra war. He knows how to enter the formation but not how to escape it. Yet Abhimanyu refuses to retreat. Facing some of the greatest warriors of the Kaurava army, he fights with unmatched bravery. Although he is ultimately defeated, his sacrifice becomes a symbol of fearless duty and unwavering commitment. When this history of story is performed in Yakshagana, every drumbeat reflects the intensity of battle, and every movement expresses the courage of a hero who placed Dharma above his own life. The lesson is timeless. True heroes are remembered not because they never fall, but because they never abandon their duty. Another beloved Yakshagana story is that of the great warrior Karna. Renowned for his extraordinary generosity, Karna never refused anyone who sought help. Even before the final battle, the god Indra, disguised as a Brahmin, asked Karna for his divine armor and her earrings, his greatest protection. Knowing the request was a test and would leave him vulnerable, Karna still gave them away. His charity became legendary. Yakshagana portrays Karna not simply as the warrior but as a noble soul whose honor and generosity shone even brighter than his battlefield victories. His story reminds us that greatness is measured not only by strength but also by selflessness. From the Ramayana comes one of Yakshagana's most energetic performances, the journey of Hanuman to Lanka. When no one else could cross the vast ocean, Anuman remembered his hidden strength. With faith in Lord Rama, he leaped across the river, overcome countless obstacles, discovered Sita in Ashoka Vatika, and delivered Rama's message of hope. His fearless devotion inspires audiences of every generation. Yakshagana artists portray Hanuman with remarkable energy, acrobatic movements, and powerful expressions that capture both his strength and humility. The lesson is simple: faith awakens the strength already within us. The Mahabharata also gives us the thrilling story of Bhima's battle with Bakasura. The terrible demon demanded regular sacrifices from helpless villagers. The people lived in constant fear. Unable to watch their suffering, Bhima volunteered to confront the demon. With unmatched strength and determination, he defeated Bakasura and freed the entire village. Yakshagana performances make this battle unforgettable through dramatic choreography, thunderous drums, and larger than life costumes. This heroic tale teaches that courage is most meaningful when it is used to protect the innocent. Yakshagana is much more than storytelling. Every performance combines expressive dance, spontaneous dialogue, poetic narration, and live music. Characters are immediately recognizable through their costumes. Heroes wear majestic crowns and colorful attire. Demons appear with blood makeup and towering headgear. The rhythmic beats of the chante and madale build excitement, while the Bhagavata guides the audience through a very emotional moment. No two performances are exactly alike because actors often improvise their dialogues while remaining faithful to the epic's central message. This unique blend of tradition and creativity has kept Yakshagana alive for generations. The heroic tales of Yakshagana continue to inspire because they teach values that never grow old. They remind us to stand for truth even when the path is difficult, face challenges with courage, practice generosity and compassion, remain humble despite success, protect those who cannot protect themselves, keep faith during life's greatest struggles. These are the timeless ideals of Dharma that the epics continue to share through Ikshagana. Ikshagana is not merely a performance, it is a living celebration of Karnataka's cultural heritage. Through vibrant costumes, captivating music, powerful acting, and unforgettable heroic tales, it keeps the wisdom of the Ramayana and Mahabharata alive for every new generation. Every performance reminds us that courage, righteousness, devotion, and compassion are qualities that never lost their value. As long as Yakshagana continues to be performed, the voices of these epic heroes will continue to inspire millions. Thank you for joining us on the colorful journey into the world of Karnataka Yakshagana. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to 5 a.m. Tales for more fascinating legends, folklore, history, and inspiring stories from Karnataka and across India. Tell us in the comments which Yakshagana story is your favorite Abhimanyu, Karna, Hanuman, Bhima, or another epic hero. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep celebrating India's timeless traditions. Namaskaram. Thank you. Goodbye.